This is a 2004 Kia Sorento. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, a rear window defroster, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. This Kia has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Gullo Toyota is located at 500 I-45 South in Conroe. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.